Ano ang stand ng isang Kai Montinola on bashing? Sabi dito, I would just like to take it as a positive thing. Yes, it's a negative comment, but if I see it in the other way, it can actually help me grow more as an artist. So she is taking it into a kind of criticism, not to take it seriously as negative, but taking it as inspiration to be a better person and to be a better talent, mga kaibigan. So, here is what she is saying when she was asked about bashing dito sa issue na kung saan maraming issue. Siyempre, pag ikaw ay umaakyat ang status mo sa showbiz at ikaw ay napansin ng marami at kasabay nun, di ba? Twinnings yan eh. Habang umaakyat ka sa pedestal, kasama mo yung bashing. Tama siya na inaantay lang ng tao na makagawa ka ng kamalian, making mistakes, and then they will start bash you and say hateful things about you to trying to ruin you. But instead of taking it like in a negative way, Kaisha Montinola or Kai Montinola is taking it as an inspiration to do much better and to be a better talent person sa industriyang kinatatayuan niya ngayon. Nato po, Kaisha, this one. Let's go watch this.
That's in general, that's a whole, that's what everyone should practice. Pero as artists, as someone who always gets bashed, criticized for doing something you thought was okay, you know? Like sometimes you're literally doing nothing and people still find a reason to hate you, to throw comments that are negative. And for me, those hateful comments, they really speak so much about how you are as a person now in this industry. Because so many people care about the things that you do wrong. Maraming nakaabang para may magawa kang mali. Yeah. So, you can really tell that, do you care so much about me? And then you can say for yourself na, okay, may epekto ang mga ginagawa ko sa ibang tao. So, I would just like to take it as a positive thing in a different perspective, just thinking outside of the box. Kasi, yes, it's a bash, it's a negative comment, but if I see it in the other way, it can actually help me more as an artist and to grow more in this industry. So, ayun, ginagamit ko lang yun parang booster. Yeah. That's in general.
So, yes mga kaibigan, yan po ang point of view ng isang Kai Montinola about bashing. Na kung saan, makikita natin na napaka-positive lang ng batang ito at hindi tinitake yung mga negative things para siya masira sa industriya. Well, tama ka dyan, Miss Kai Montinola. Kyler is saying here, she has the same kind of beauty as the Barreto family for me. May resemblance talaga siya kay Gretchen Barreto. So yan po. Itong picture na ito mga kaibigan, ang sabi daw niya dito, ay para daw itong si Kai Montinola na isang Gretchen Barreto. Pero yes, kung titignan mo sa malapitan at biglang tingin mo, meron nga kasi talaga din siyang resemblance doon sa isang Gretchen Barreto na talagang sumikat. At hanggang ngayon ay napag-uusapan pa rin sa social media once in a while mga kaibigan. So ganyan po ang dating ng isang Kai Montinola na hinahahalin tulad niya na siya po sa ibang big stars sa showbiz mga kaibigan. So yeah, that is our latest update on Kai Montinola. I will bring you more update later dito lang sa ating channel. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-subscribe, sa mga followers ni Kaisha, mga Kai mates, andito po sa Alexander Lexa Jules para bigang daan itong si Kaisha Montinola dito sa ating channel. And I'll be very, very happy kung kayo po ay magsusubscribe sa ating channel, and I will try to give you the latest update of Kai Montinola every now and then dito sa ating channel kasabay ng mga artistang pinifeature po natin sa Showbiz Landia. Alexander Lexter Jules, sabi daw dito ni Ann, Kai Dress 2026 Bench Era. You will always be iconic, the start of a new chapter indeed. So, ayan po, pinagsabay po sa picture na ito in one frame. Itong si Kai Montinola and Andres Mulak, mga kaibigan. Ang pogi naman talaga ng isang Andres Mulak. At napakaganda din ng isang Kai Montinola. So, no wonder people are talking about them and hating the thought na ang sabi ng iba ay inaagaw na ni Kai Montinola itong si Andres Mulak from Ashtin Olviga. Pero ang sabi daw, hindi daw ganun kasi nagpapapicture lang daw itong si Andres Mulak kay Kai Montinola kasi nga daw pong sabi dahil hiniling daw po ng kanilang followership yung nagsiship po kay Kai at kay Andres or Kai Dress ang tawag nila dito. Sabi pa nga daw parang tumas pa daw ang kilay ng isang Andres Mulak. Isa pa ba? Meron pa? Sige pa ba? Parang ganon. But then yes, whatever happens sa unahan, whatever will happen and we do not know kung sila ba ay bibigyan ng proyekto since some of the Kai Dress followers are asking the management na pagsamahin itong si Kai Montinola and Andres Mulak sa isang proyekto. If it will happen very very soon, malalaman po natin yan kasi alam naman natin na yung iba din po ay nanghihingi po ng project for Kai Montinola and Kyle H. So, sino man ang bibigyan ng proyekto soon ng mga managers nila at ng management, malalaman din naman po natin yan kasi hindi man po yan maitatago kasi kailangan din niyang malaman straight away ng mga followership nila. Alexander Lexter Jules, good luck kay Kai kung sino man kasi solo nga artist siya po ngayon and alam nyo naman po ang love team syndrome ng Pilipinas na kung meron kang ka-love team ay mas lalo ka pang sisikat dahil ikaw ay palaging napag-uusapan ng isang kampo to another kampo, lalo na pag na-feel ng isang kampo na naaapakan sila at feel nila inaagaw na ang isang tao from their love team para i-pair up sa isang Kai Montinola, for sure magulo at magkakaroon ng toxic fans po in the future. So, alamin natin, sino nga ba ang mananalo para maging ka-love team ng isang Kai Montinola? Dahil si Alexa Ilacad ay parang pini-pair up na po siya ngayon kay Mr. Jello Rivera ng BGYO. O, diba? Parang bagay din po sila kasi parang upa-upahan nga din itong parang upa din itong si Jello Rivera po ng BGYO at parang bagay na bagay nga sila ni Alexa Ilacad na i-pair up together as love team. Pareho din po silang singers and pareho din po silang dancers at the same time. Nowadays ay pinasok na rin po nila ang acting world. So Alexander Lexter Jules, good luck to Kai Dress and good luck to Ash Dress, o diba? Ashtin Olviga and Andres Mulak followership and shippers, o diba? Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.